Are you wondering how to style that inverted triangle body shape? Worry not, because today I'm going to give you an ultimate guide on how you can be able to style an inverted triangle body shape. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. Welcome back to another video. This is MAMA-MYLES, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, beauty, fashion. We do a little bit of everything. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. Whether it's for work, casual outfits, dinner, today I'm going to be giving you an ultimate guide in which you can be able to use to style an inverted triangle body shape. An inverted triangle body shape simply means you have a wider shoulder, a well-defined upper body, and a narrower hip. I feel styling an inverted triangle body shape is quite easier and complicated at the same time. It's easier because your focus is just on the narrow waist, because with an inverted triangle body shape, you have a broader shoulder, a well-defined upper part, and a narrower waist. So in styling this inverted triangle body shape, your focus is on the narrow waist. And it is complicated because if you go in with the wrong pieces, if you go in with the wrong outfits, you're just going to spoil everything. Okay, so if you're interested in this kind of video, if you're interested in styling an inverted triangle body shape, then let's get into the video. An inverted triangle body shape is characterized by a broader shoulder or a wider upper body and a narrower hips. The key goal when styling an inverted triangle body shape is to balance the proportion by drawing attention to the lower body. Next is to soften the appearance of the broader shoulder, and the last one is to emphasize the waist to create a more hourglass-like effect. So now let's get into the details of styling an inverted triangle body shape, and we are going to begin with tops. The best top for styling an inverted triangle body shape includes V-neck or scoop neck tops. This neckline elongates the upper body and visually narrows the shoulder. The next one we have wrap tops. Wrap styles helps to define the waist and soften the upper body. The next one we have pelum tops. Pelum tops add volume at the hips to balance wider shoulder. And the next one we have are dark colors on tops. Darker colors help to minimize the appearance of broader shoulder. We are going to move to tops in which, if you are styling an inverted triangle body shape or you are an inverted triangle body shape, you want to avoid. The first top we have is boot neck or off shoulder tops. This kind of tops emphasize the width at the shoulder of an inverted triangle body shape. So you want to avoid this kind of tops because remember, the main styling goal is to balance the proportion. And already an inverted triangle body shape has a wider shoulder and a narrower hip. So you don't want to add volume to the shoulder. Now the next neckline you want to avoid if you are styling an inverted triangle body shape or you are an inverted triangle body shape is to avoid puff sleeves. Puff sleeves add bulk at the shoulder part, so you want to avoid this kind of sleeves because we are trying to reduce bulk at the upper body and the focus should be at the lower body. So you want to avoid puff sleeves. We are going to move to best pants in styling an inverted triangle body shape, and the best pants for styling an inverted triangle body shape is wide leg pants. Wide leg pants create a balance by adding volume to the lower body. So you want to go in for this kind of pants because they are going to add volume to the lower body. And the next kind of pants you want to go in for are flare or boot cut jeans. This style visually widens the lower half, hence balancing that broader shoulder. This kind of pants we want to go in for are brighter colors or patterns, like or bold colors and print on the pants to shift focus to the hips and the legs. Now we are going to move to the kind of pants that you want to avoid when styling an inverted triangle body shape. And the first kind of pants you want to avoid are skinny jeans or leggings. Tight fitting bottoms can make the lower body look smaller and accentuate the brighter upper body. Remember, in styling an inverted triangle body shape, the key goal is to balance the proportion. So you want to avoid skinny jeans because they'll make your hips look smaller and the shoulder still remains brighter. So you want to avoid this kind of jeans. And the next kind of pants you want to avoid are plain or minimalist bottom. You want to avoid overly simple styles and instead go for designs that is going to add volume or texture to your lower body. And now we are going to move to the type of dresses for an inverted triangle body shape. The first kind of dresses for an inverted triangle body shape are fit and flare dresses. These dresses clinch at the waist and flare out at the hips, creating a balanced silhouette. The next kind of dress you want to put into consideration are A-line dresses. A-line dresses add volume to the lower body while balancing the soldier. And the next kind of dress you want to put into consideration are dresses with flowy or ruffle skirts. These kind of dresses enhance the lower half while keeping the focus of the upper body, and this is the kind of dresses you want to go in for, since the focus is on the lower body and not on the upper body. You don't want to add bulk to the upper body. And the next one we are going to be looking at are wrap dresses. Wrap dresses define the waist and create a more proportionate look. And now we are going to move to the type of dresses you want to avoid when styling an inverted triangle body shape. And the first dress we have are high neck dresses. High neckline can emphasize the broader soldier, so you want to avoid something like that, because already we have broader soldiers, so we don't want to add bulk on those soldiers. So you want to avoid high neckline dresses. And the next kind of dress you want to avoid are straight cut dresses. These kind of dresses don't create balance and can make the figure look top heavy. That is it for dressing an inverted triangle body shape. And now we are going to move to accessories, in which you can include into your wardrobe if you are an inverted triangle body shape or you are styling an inverted triangle body shape. The first accessory you want to put into consideration are belts. Belts will help to clinch your waist and emphasize the curves and create balance. And the next accessory you want to put into consideration are cuffs or long necklace. These can create a vertical line and soften the upper body. So these are the kind of accessories you can include into your wardrobe if you are an inverted triangle body shape or you are styling an inverted triangle body shape. And now let's move to the general do's and don'ts of styling an inverted triangle body shape, whether with dresses, pants, or tops. And the first do we have is to focus on creating curves in the lower body with a flared silhouette or bold designs. The next do we have is to emphasize the waist with belts or fitted styles to create balance. Do we have is to use dark colors on tops and light or bold colors on the bottom to shift attention downward. Now we are going to move to the don'ts of styling an inverted triangle body shape, whether with dresses, tops, or pants. And the first don't we have is to avoid adding bulk to the soldier with embellishment, puff sleeves, or heavy patterns. The next don't we have is to stay away from overly tight, skinny bottoms that can make the lower half look smaller. And also you want to stay away from high necklines or horizontal stripes across the soldier. So guys, that's it for styling your inverted triangle body shape, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, do not forget to like, comment, share, and also give me your opinion. What do you think about styling an inverted triangle body shape? So guys, that's it for this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.